Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Activities tab within the Opportunities app of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Opportunities app, he or she can click on the required opportunity from the landing page. The details view of the opportunity is displayed. In order to view all the activities that have taken place within the selected opportunity in a single screen, the user needs to click on the Activities tab. The landing page of the Activities tab is displayed. In this page, the user can change the status of the activity, the user can also edit the existing activities and the changes will be reflected in the same. The user can also delete any existing activities from the list by clicking on the delete button. Thank you for watching.